Come on up to the CTS Cement booth. In about 2 minutes, we'll be demonstrating some of our flooring products. So come on up in about 2 minutes. Hello and welcome to CTS Cement, producers of rapid set cement and component shrinkage compensating cement. In just a few moments, we're going to be demonstrating some of our flooring products that are based on rapid set cement. I'm Matt Samble, Vice President of Product Development. Before I tell you about our products, I want to tell you a little bit more about our great people. We have amazing engineers, material scientists, and chemists, including multiple PhDs, who are researching new technologies and developing new products. We also have tremendous production and quality teams who are working literally around the clock to keep up with demand and deliver high quality products to your job sites. And then we've got a great sales team and technical support team whose sole job is to help make your jobs and your projects more successful. So CTS Cement is the largest U.S. manufacturer of calcium sulfoaluminate cement, or CSA cement for short. Rapid Set is a balytic CSA cement that delivers speed, strength, and durability. Rapid Set is fast. You'll get structural strength in as little as 1 hour, allowing you to put your projects back into service sooner. It also has low shrinkage, low permeability, and superior resistance to sulfate attack. Now I mentioned durability. We actually placed Rapid Set concrete at SeaTac Airport back in the mid-90s, and we had an independent lab come back and test it many years later, and they determined that the strength of the product was still increasing well beyond the 28 days out to 15 years. In fact, the flexural strength of that airport runway is double today what it was when they first started landing planes on it back in the mid-90s. Also, the production of Rapid Set cement emits less CO2 than the production of Portland cement. So that means Rapid Set is a greener alternative to Portland. So Rapid Set's been used on a wide range of applications, bulk applications like highways and airport panel replacements. It's been used on large commercial and industrial floors, tilt-up construction, precast, cast in place. Really, it's been used in all kinds of concrete repair and restoration. So Rapid Set will save you time and money, and you'll get high quality results. So let's get to the fun stuff. Today we're demonstrating Level Floor, which is a self-leveling underlayment that will allow you to come back with your finished flooring in 4 to 16 hours, depending on the flooring used. Skim Floor is a smooth, polymer-modified, trowel-applied underlayment, which has high adhesion and excellent workability. And the Concrete Resurfacer is a polymer-modified mortar that's designed to make your old or worn concrete look new. So I can hear they've already started mixing the products in the back. While they're doing that, I'll remind you that all three of these products are based on Rapid Set balytic CSA cement. It's a standalone cement, which means you don't have to blend it with Portland or any other cement to get high early and long-term strength. So as you can see here, Rafa is pouring the Level Floor. This is obviously just a demonstration, but we do recommend on concrete to prepare your substrate to an iCry CSP3. There should be an image, I think, on the screens of the iCry, but also their booth is right over there, and they've got surface chips so you can see what the texture looks like. So the best way to get an iCry CSP3 is by shot blasting. Then we come back, we put our acrylic primer down, and what the primer does is it helps to seal off the substrate to prevent pinholes, and also increases the adhesion. So the level floor here was mixed with 4.75 quarts of water. We recommend 4.5 to 5 quarts so you can really adjust the flow. You can see how easy it flows and moves into the corner. Jose is just using a gauge rake to set the basic height of the floor. This gauge rake is set at 3/8 of an inch. And now he's coming back with the spiked roller, which will help remove any kind of air bubbles that are trapped right below the surface. So level floor can be applied from 1/8 of an inch over the highest point of your floor all the way up to 2 inches thick, and it can be feathered to match your existing elevations. So that's really all there is to it with level floor. There's no water curing required. It has self-curing technology. So then you're ready to come back with your finished floor in 4 to 16 hours. If it's moisture sensitive, you'll probably want to wait longer, like 16 hours. And a breathable flooring like ceramic tile can be applied in about 4 hours. Now also, we built our stage here just a few days ago with level floor, and so it's designed to be used as an underlayment, but it can be used as a temporary work surface like we're using it today. So now we're moving on to the skim floor. This is a smooth trowel applied underlayment. It has excellent adhesion and really good workability, so it's very easy to install. So this is great. It can be applied from feather edge up to about 1 inch thick for bug holes. So it's really great for leveling your uneven subfloors or fixing your transitions before installing carpet, wood, or tile. So you can see how creamy and easy this is to apply. Jose will actually be able to trowel it back and forth without it pulling or tearing off the floor. So this product has about 30 minutes working time, but once it's on the ground, it dries very quickly, so it's ready for most finished flooring in 1 hour. And again, no water curing is required with the skim floor either, so you don't have to come back and water cure it. Just apply it, walk away, install your finished flooring when you're ready. We'll now be demonstrating the concrete resurfacer. So these first two products are designed to be underlayments. The concrete resurfacer is an overlayment. So this is designed to put on your worn or old concrete floors and just make them look new. So this is great for sidewalks or patios, walkways, anywhere where you want to get a new, fresh concrete surface. So for this one, we recommend an iCry CSP2, which you can best achieve that kind of surface profile by grinding. So again, this is very easy to install. It can be applied usually generally very thin, like a 1/4 of an inch to a 1/2 inch thick. Now, like I said, this is great for patios and walkways. We've had a ton of success in parking structures, and parking structures can be very difficult because you've got car tires turning on the same section of roadway day in and day out. And we've had excellent results with the CR being able to maintain a broom finish. So Jose's now applying a broom finish. Now you can finish this however you like. You can finish it with a trowel or a sponge float. Today we're giving it a broom. It's going to be, again, very easy to broom. Now, many of you are familiar with our True line of products. We have a whole section right over here of the all the different things you can do with the True products. But we've got three types of True products. We've got the True Self-Leveling, True SP, and the True PC. The true self-leveling has a fine sand and a very uniform appearance. The true SP has a fine decorative sand, so it'll give it like a salt and pepper appearance. That's why we call it SP. And the true PC has a coarse decorative sand that'll give it more of the look of polished concrete. That's why we call it PC. So Rafa's pulling up some samples over here. You can come on up and take a closer look at the different textures you can get with these different true products. Now all of these are available in both natural and gray. So the natural is kind of this beige tan look, and then the gray is designed to match more, your standard concrete surfaces. Here's some images of the natural versus the gray. You're self-leveling, that's right. So the true products are very versatile. You can add integral colors, stains, dyes. You can add different aggregates to get really whatever kind of look you want. And one of the key features of the true products is it can achieve a very high distinctness of image. It has a very high surface hardness. So you can polish it wet or dry in just about 20 and you achieve a very high gloss surface. So the True Self-Leveling flooring line has been used on a wide range of applications, commercial and industrial floors. It's been used actually on millions of square feet of flooring because of the high flowability, the excellent polishability, and the great final look. So here's a few projects that we've applied some of these products on. This was the Marriott in San Juan. In 2017, Hurricane Maria came through and had all kinds of damage at this hotel. And so they actually came back with mortar mix, and concrete resurfacer, and they repaired a lot of this pool deck area while they still kept it open to existing tourists. And the struggle with this is that the hurricane hit in September and the busy season is the winter. And so using Rapid Set products, they were able to open the entire pool area back up in time for the busy winter season. The Norton Museum of Art in Florida, this was a $100 million renovation and expansion project. And they actually had to remove several layers of floor. They had multiple layers, including terrazzo. And they came back and they used the level floor here to pre-level it and bring it up to the right elevation. And they used the True SP as their finished floor. And they had so much success, this was actually featured in Concrete Construction magazine. And the contractors, they got an award of excellence from the owner. So they had great success on that. So please check out our partners, John Don out in the silver lot, booth 031099, and SACE, booth 030315. They're demonstrating some of our true products. And that's it for our demonstration today. Please can I get a hand for these guys doing the repairs and the team in the back mixing the products? Thank you. Come on up, take a closer look at these repairs, and please get all your questions answered by our technical experts. And come on back for our next demonstration at 2 o'clock. We'll be presenting the vertical and overhead repairs. So thank you, and I'll see you soon.